Jai Hind children, in this module you will learn about some neighborhood services that provide different services. As we already know about our neighborhood. We live in a neighborhood. Our family lives in an area where a number of other families live. They live quite close to where we live. They are our neighborhood. We have many things in common. For instance, we have a common market, post office, and a park. We all live together in a neighborhood. We help each other and celebrate festivals together. Neighborhood services. All of us live in houses. There are so many houses around us where we live. Many families live in these houses. They are our neighbors. The places that are near our house form our neighborhood. A neighborhood has many blocks of flats or houses. Big neighborhoods form cities and towns. A city or town has many important places. They provide a number of useful services which help the people to live in comfort. Some of these useful services are market, bus stand, school, places of worship, hospital, police station, etc. Some useful services in the neighborhood. Market. A market is a crowded and busy place with many shops. We can buy things like fruits, vegetables, flowers, toys, clothes, etc. in a market. That is why it is an important service in our neighborhood. A person who sells an article in a shop is called a shopkeeper. Next, bus shed or stand. A bus shed or stand is a service in our neighborhood which is important to us. Here we wait to catch a bus to go to our destination. School. A school is a very important service in an neighborhood. Young children of age 2 to 5 years to go a kindergarten or play school. They learn poetry, rhymes and play many games there. They also learn good habits. Children of age group 5 to 17 go to a formal school. They learn to read and write. They also learn more about the society and world. Places of worship. Our neighborhood has different places of worship. People of different religions go to different places to pray. Hindus go to temples. Muslims go to mosques. Sikhs go to Gurudwaras and Christians go to churches. Hospital. We go to a doctor at a hospital when we are sick or injured. He gives us treatment and medicine for our sickness or injury. He is well trained to treat and cure the diseases. A doctor may admit us in the hospital if we are very sick. Doctors and nurses look after us in the hospital till we recover. Post office. We post a letter in a post box. The letter then goes to the post office where all the letters are collected and sorted. Then the letter reaches the village, town, city and to our doorstep by a person called postman. We also send money by money order and parcels by courier through the post office. A postmaster is the head of a post office. India's first post office was established in 1837. Police station. The policeman keeps us safe by maintaining law and order in the society we live. They catch thieves and burglars and protect us from them. We can call for immediate police help by dialing number 100. A neighborhood may also have bank, restaurant and cinema hall. We can keep our money safe in the bank, eat various types of food in a restaurant and watch movies in a cinema hall. In India, for the police, we call 100. For medical services, we call 101. For fire services, we call 102. For women health services, we call 1090. For child helpline, we call 1098. Children, I hope Now you understand this chapter. Now let's discuss the keywords of the chapter. First word is postman. The person who delivers letter to our doorstep is called a postman. Shopkeeper. The person who sells any article in a shop is called a shopkeeper. Dear children, I hope now you all have understood the chapter Neighborhood Services. Thank you.